Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Quarter Studio. Welcome back. And I hope you guys are having a very wonderful day and a very wonderful time, guys. So today we are going to be doing a new reaction video. Today, who, guys? The Who performing Start Bet Through, guys. Start Bet Through. I actually done a reaction video to the Who before. Actually, I did two reaction videos to their songs. But really, the songs really are very securized. Immediately, you actually release the video, YouTube just blocks it actually at once. So the two videos actually were being blocked, but actually looking for a way to go around it, actually like to do more reaction videos to YouTube videos without them actually being blocked, guys. So guys, thanks very much for watching. Thanks very much for always being there. Not to waste the time, let's move into this particular video right now of the Who performing Sad But True, guys. So the video just actually started. The Who. So let's be amazed. So Sad But True. Okay. So they just started, guys. Let's listen. like millions of people around the world, Metallic has been a huge influence and inspiration of music. For us as music fans and musicians, we admire their 40 years of relentless touring and the timeless, unique music they have created. It's a great honor to show them our respect and gratitude by recording a version of Sad But True in our language and the style of the Who, guys. So, guys, that was very, very wonderful. That's actually what I read at the end of this particular video of Sad But True, guys. So they were very, very amazing. They actually, the way they who actually sang and performed this particular show, you can just see the amount of energy and the amount of like work which they really place and the amount of love they place in each of the videos. And one thing I've actually noticed about that video is the fact that they like actually singing videos whereby there's like use of like some transformation, some fictional stuff things. I think they really love such stuff things because almost in all the videos which I've watched about the Who, they are really they use such stuff things, guys. So guys, thanks very much for watching this particular video. Thanks very much for always being there. Do not forget to subscribe, to like our video, to share the video with your friends, with your loved ones, and everyone around you, guys. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day and stay safe, guys. Thank you.